Hi everyone! Today let's look at how you can create and edit Zoho leads directly from WhatsApp using the Eazybe extension. If you are chatting with the contact that isn't your Zoho CRM yet, you can quickly add them as a lead. Just open the WhatsApp chat, click on the Zoho icon in the right sidebar and fill with the necessary details. Hit Create Lead, and that's it. Your lead is now in Zoho. Once the lead is created, you can view and update their profile anytime. Open the WhatsApp chat, click on the Zoho icon, and under the lead selection, you'll see the Profile tab. Here you'll find all the contact details. Need to make changes? Click the Edit button in the contact card. A pop-up will appear where you can update user properties, adjust the required fields, and save the changes. That's how you manage Zoho leads effortlessly within WhatsApp using Eazybe. Give it a try and make your lead management smoother.